welcome today to Outdoor Adventures with Kays. It's smack bang in the middle of winter, and we're out here in the beautiful Coromandel, and we're fishing off the rocks for snapper today. We've got all sorts of methods going. We've got soft baiting, we even got some liveys out just in case kingfish come by. But we're stray lining, we're running out some rigs out wide on the surf casters. The key to this, obviously, burley. If you're fishing off the land, always burley, because that brings them into you. And we actually had a bit of a workup going earlier, so we started catching some kahawai. And check out, so this is the kahawai, and this is what he spat out. And so, you know, whenever there's a workup, it means there's food around. And if you can really get your burley pumping, it'll get closer, and you'll be able to watch some footage right now of us being able to pull that workup almost right to the rock ledge. So yeah, burley hard, get your ground bait out there, and the more you persist, the more you're going to get the results. So stay tuned, and hopefully soon you'll see us pulling in some snapper. Taken the bait, put a massive run, and then it's gone under some kelp or just under a rock shelf. Normally what you do here is just back the drag off and let the fish do what it wants to do. And once it starts taking line again, freeze pull obviously, then he's freed himself and you can start fighting him. So it's patience. You see it jumping? See it jump? Oh, it's a shark.
Hey, that's your shark.
There's the result there. No way. Literally a stone's throw away. There's a school there, bro. So the day's about to end. Sun's just about to go over the horizon, and you know, it's been a great day. We've got a few snapper and a few kahawai in the rock pool right now, and yeah, Coromandel's been good to us. We didn't get any kingfish today, sadly, but hey, we did come here for snapper. We saw some crazy workups. I think all day there were birds diving. We saw a seal, a couple of dolphins not so long ago. So it's been a real active day. There's been a lot of bait in the area and a lot of predators because of that. So I don't know why we didn't get into some kingies, but hey, it's winter fishing for you. Yeah, remember when you're doing your winter fishing that it is sometimes a little bit slower than summer, but if you're wanting to get into those bigger fish, winter is definitely a good time to be out doing the business. So yeah, thank you for all those that have subscribed and liked our page. If you're on Instagram, check us out on there as well. But the support is what continues to get us out fishing, filming it so you can enjoy it with us, and hopefully giving you a few tips along the way. So thanks again. Like the video, share it, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more outdoor adventures with Kays.